Hi everyone, welcome to DataSyn and welcome to the Excel formula series. In this series, we will learn one Excel formula every single day, and today we will learn a new one. For becoming a part of this series and supporting, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So let's start. Today's formula is the IFERROR formula. The IFERROR formula is a super useful tool in Excel that allows you to clean up a spreadsheet by replacing the ugly errors message like div0, na, and like hashtag value with a custom message or value that you define. In other words, you are essentially teaching in Excel this. Try to run this calculation, but if the results is an error, display the clean output instead. So let's have a look at the syntax of the if error. When we start the formula, we have two different parameters that we need to define. These are the value and value if error. The value represents the original formula, calculation, or a cell references that you want to test for an error. The value if error is what Excel displays or calculates if your original formula actually turns out to be an error. For example, in this dataset, as you can see here, I would like to calculate the unit price of each product by dividing the total revenue by units sold. But also, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do if there is an error. As you can see, like for example, for products like the keyboards and monitors, when we where the no units were sold, dividing by 0 creates an ugly div divided by 0 error in our table. To fix this and keep our report clean, let's apply the if error formula step by step. First of all, I click the cell here and then type the formula and also type the click the top button, and then I define my value, which is B4 divided by unit sold, which is C4. You can also calculate another formula. You can type another formula that you defined before, and then I click the comma, and then I define my value if error. So if there is an error, I would like to see no sales, and I type the no sales, and then I close the parentheses and hit the enter button. As you can see the results here, and when I extend the formula, you will see the other results. And as you can see here, we are seeing no sales instead of div0, like error message. So this is how we use the if error formula in Excel. And that's all I can say for the if error formula. But there may be some more advanced usage, like using the if error formulas with the VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP or other formulas that you define. Maybe we can see that in other videos, or maybe creating the dashboards. So that's it for today, and if you found this formula useful, please don't forget to like it, and see you in next video.